Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with morning announcements. Good morning, Joya. Good morning, Luca.
Morning.
Hello.
Good to see you guys. We got a brand new flag from Remy in the first grade. I think Remy was part of that first grade team that got together and decorated these awesome flags for us.
Right,
Ooh.
so pretty.
Yeah. Joya, lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance.
Place your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, big shout out to Remy in the first grade. Thank you, Joya. Happy Friday, everybody. Today's April 30th, the last day of April. We are flying. The weeks just seem to be flying by, huh, Luca?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Every time I turn around, it's Friday. We're expecting high of 92 degrees in Studio City. It's going to be hot. Try to stay cool and drink lots of water. Student Council Spirit Week continues today. Joya, what's the focus for today?
Today is Forest Bath Friday, based on the Japanese concept of Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. Take in through your senses the forest and nature all around you. Be inspired to write a haiku about something you love in nature.
And Luca, if students do not know what a haiku is, how would you describe it to them?
So a haiku is sort of like a poem, although so you have your first line, and your first line it should be 5 syllables. And then your second line should be 7 syllables. Then your third line should also be 5 syllables. So it should only be 3 lines.
All right. So, and Joya, do you have an example of a haiku for us?
Yes.
All right, let's hear it.
So a haiku, I just have a page about it. It's a Japanese poem, usually nature related. And the first line's 5 syllables, then 7 syllables, then 5 syllables. And I made one that goes, the hummingbird floats, flit, 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 softly it goes, quickly darting by.
All right, and there's an example of a perfect haiku, boys and girls. You could do one today in your class to celebrate Student Council Spirit Week. Very nice. Thank you so much, guys. Hey, PFC is having another drive-in movie night. Luca, tell us all about that.
Backed by a popular demand, PFC is hosting a second drive-in movie night on Friday, May 7th, as we wrap up this year's virtual auction, which will end on Saturday, May 8th at noon.
This time, we will be showing Mr. Peabody and Sherman. Oh, I love that movie. There's only one show at 8 p.m., so get your tickets ASAP. You can find the link in the morning announcement.
Yes, it will be in my email this morning. And today is Friday. It's time for Luca's Laudable Laughs. Luca, go ahead and take over the screen.
Okay.
And remind everybody what the focus is.
Yes. So this week for Spirit Week, on Wednesday, the focus was Wildlife Wednesday. And basically you had to submit a poster talking about explaining endangered animal or plant species, or just something about protecting the earth in general. And we got a lot of submissions for this particular subject. So I'm thinking we may actually drag it out into 2 parts. So next week, we're also going to continue the competition, and I'll add new ones.
Okay, perfect.
So you can still submit, and it'll be shown next Friday.
Perfect.
Exactly.
All right, let's see what you got.
So this is the first one. It's from Anji.
Ooh.
And
So
you can
pretty.
see her poster says, "Walk more, save polar bears."
Very
You
nice.
can see that when you put gas in your car, the iceberg melts and the polar bears have left less land to live on. See right here, it says greenhouse gases equals miserable polar bear. Help planet Earth and use gas-powered vehicles less. See right here, it's good to walk instead of driving. Walking is good for you and good for our planet. And cars, they sure are fast, like melting icebergs.
Very well done.
Exactly, Anji's right. Good job, Anji.
Yeah, she put a lot of work into that. Big shout out to Anji. Thank you.
This is the second one from Rafi. And in this, he printed it out, and we can see him holding it next to his face. He did this on snow leopards.
It's a little bit blurry, but
Yeah, I think it says facts.
cool pictures.
Snow leopards are
That's all right. We know that the focus.
yeah, he's got a
is
lot
snow
of great
leopards on that
facts
one, Luca.
there and why
you
they
see that
are
they have lots of great facts.
Yeah,
Exactly.
good shout out to Rafi. Thank
some
you.
cool
for
photos
doing
too.
that, Rafi.
Thanks.
And this is Isaiah's.
Whoop, whoop.
He says to
That's
save
cool.
the yellow-billed cuckoo. The yellow-billed cuckoo has been losing its habitat because of urban development and flood control. Only a fraction is left compared to decades ago. This species is in need of an immediate conservation act.
Yeah, let's save the yellow-billed cuckoo.
That's
Very
not
nice.
good. We
Thank
don't
you,
want it to lose
Isaiah.
its habitat.
Exactly. This is a document from Stella in the 5th grade. And this is a picture of her endangered animal.
I can't see it. Oh,
Yeah, it's just loading in.
Whoa.
oh, cool.
Save the sea lions. We can read a little bit more. Sea lions are a cute and friendly animal, but did you know they are slowly going extinct?
Oh, that's not
Cause of extinction, sea lions are so
I love it. She's got it full
also
of all
friendly
kinds of
and
facts
fact.
and information on there, huh, Luca?
Yeah, there's a bunch of information on
Shout
that.
out to Stella. Good job, Stella.
You guys can just pause it when you're watching the video and read everything that these people are writing on their posters.
For sure.
Okay. Next one. Emily. She has
Oh, I
this
love
little
sloths.
picture.
They're adorable. How cute. What a pretty drawing.
Save the sloths. Donate to helping organizations. Plant trees. They help
Yay,
lower
save
the
the
number of
sloths.
bugs.
Excellent
I
job,
love
Emily.
sloths.
Great job on
Sloths
that.
are so cute. Good job.
All
And I
right.
love the drawing.
This is one from Ava. It says right here, save the West Indian manatees.
Wow, they did a
Manatees
great job.
live for 40 years. Manatees are 8 to 13 feet long. Manatees weigh 440 to 1,300 pounds.
Well done, Ava. Or Ava. Ava. Perfect. All right. We
Great
got one more
job.
left. Is that it, Luca?
That's
There
all,
you go.
folks.
Yeah, and they have
Bravo. So he's going to extend that till next week, everybody.
Definitely.
It is
still
also
submit.
Friday, and we have a brand new Unity Fair family video. Let me cue that up for us now. And
Ooh.
let's start. Let's take a look here. See what we got.
Great.
Hi, I'm Covey and I'm a 3rd grader at Carpenter.
We are so excited to be here during Every Kid Counts Month because it means a lot to our family.
Every kid counts. I count, you count, we all count.
So be proud of who you are. Celebrate your differences because they make you unique and special.
This is what makes our family special and unique.
Welcome to our home. We're the Manthena family. I'm Covey.
I'm Prasad.
I'm Vidya. Over there's our son Nishan, and Asha, our daughter, is filming this for us today.
Don't forget about Rolly.
Doggy.
That's right, Cubby. Hey, Cubby, how long has our family been at Carpenter now?
10 years.
10 years. That's a really long time, which is why we're especially glad to have you in our home today. And we'd love to share what makes our family unique and special.
Mom, what's for dinner tonight?
Thanks for asking, Cubby. Tonight for dinner, we're having some very traditional foods, including chicken biryani, vegetable curry, bread called paratha, and onion pachadi.
Mom, what makes Indian food so yummy?
Well, Cubby, we use some special spices, including turmeric, cumin, chili powder, and a variety of curry masalas that make our food very flavorful. Hey, Cubby, would you like to share where India is located?
India is located in South Asia. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean and Himalayan mountains.
Hindi is the main language spoken in India, but there's hundreds of languages that are used. In our house, we speak bits of Telugu and Tamil. Covey, how do you say dad in Telugu?
Nana.
Nana.
Hey, and Cubby, would you mind sharing a little bit about your name with everyone?
My full name is Coven, and in Sanskrit, it means water or poem.
That's right, Cubby, and Sanskrit is an ancient Indo-Aryan language. It's actually one of the oldest languages in the world.
We don't always dress like this for dinner, but we wanted to show you what some traditional Indian wear looks like. Me and Covey are wearing what's called kurtas.
And I'm wearing a salwar kameez top, as well as a bindi. You may have seen these on women's foreheads before. Traditionally, bindis signified marriage, but today they're used mostly for decorative purposes and come in all different sizes, shapes, and colors.
Hey Mom, can my tiger join us for dinner? The Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. A fun fact is that the national bird of India is a peacock.
And if you hear in the background, we have some Indian traditional music playing, and one of the most famous instruments from that is called a sitar. After dinner, Mom, can we play chess?
Sure, Cubby. Chess was invented in India. Why not? Well, thank you guys for coming to our home today. We hope you enjoyed your visit, and we hope that next time you stay for the biryani. Bye, everyone.
All right.
Wow, how
I
great.
tell you what, I'm
It's
hungry.
so
How about you guys?
It's so many
I
fun
had no
facts
idea
about
chess was
India.
invented in India.
Neither did I. Oh my gosh. And then how about that tiger? The
Oh
national-
yeah, that looked. At
That
first,
was
I thought that
cool.
was real. I was like, "Wow, it's a real tiger."
That was amazing. Hey guys, we have one more thing to do before we get to the words of wisdom, which is to pick 5 winners to cover for Joya next week. Let me pull up the wheel now. And here are all the names. Here goes student number 1. Jackson Smith.
Jackson
Put that down.
Smith, you're
Jackson
the
Smith.
president for a day.
Congratulations,
still-
Jackson Smith. Let's remove Jackson. We're looking for a second Joya. Here we go. Eddie Papas. All right. Oh my gosh. We're going to have some fun. Here we go. We need a third Joya. Here we go. Sophia Kwan. Very nice. And we need another Joya. Here we go. Ruby Gerber.
Wait, why does it say not her?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that means. Somebody put that in when they submit. I'm not sure what that means. All right, here goes the 5th Joya. To cover for
All
Joya
right.
when she's on vacation next week. Here we go.
Kyle Joya.
Harry Francois. All right. So it looks like we've got our 5 Joyas. Next week, Joya's going to take a break, just focus on class, and we're going to have 5 visiting or substitute student body presidents with us in the morning. What do you think about that, Luca?
I mean, that's so cool.
It
I
is.
wonder which one I'll be doing the morning announcements with.
Well, I'll be emailing all their parents this weekend and give them all the information. Guys, it's time for the words of wisdom. Here we go. Have you ever been up to bat, struck out, and then gotten mad at the umpire for making a bad call? Have you ever made a bad grade on a test and then been mad at the teacher for making the test too hard? Now listen to what someone once said about being angry.
When I'm angry at myself, I find fault with others.
Next time that you are angry and find yourself blaming other people, ask yourself this.
Who am I really mad at? Am I mad at myself for not hitting the ball? Am I mad at myself because I didn't study as hard as I should have?
Be honest with yourself. Then remember this. It's easy to blame someone else for our mistakes, but it takes real strength to take enough responsibility for our choices and actions. When we can take responsibility, we can do better next time.
That's right. With something
Right.
to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joya,
And Luca.
Make it a great day.
or not.
The choice is yours. Joya, have a great week next week. Just
Thanks.
relax,
Have a great
chillaxing all week. And you have any advice for the 5 kids filling in for you?
Have fun.
Have fun. That's right. Luca, have a great day at school today, guys. We'll see you next week.
Thank
Good
you.
morning.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
Mr. Martinez.